Here I have Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to activate Hey Google feature on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the Google section, then go to the settings for Google Apps, Search Assistant and Voice, Google Assistant, then go to the voice match, and here you have to enable Hey Google. Then tap Next, I agree, continue, and now it's enabled. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.